Okay, we're going to go through some back exercise demos here. Starting with deadlift. You want to keep your back flat and your head up. Your hands are going to be on the outside of your knees. You don't want to round out your back. And come up and down. If you're using smaller weights, you're just going to bring it down to your mid-calf area and come back up. Here's the view from the front. Again, head up, back flat. Sumo deadlift is going to be the similar, except your legs are going to be wider and your hands are going to be on the inside of your knees, so your hands are going to be close together. Other than that, the position is pretty similar. Here's a view from the front. Lat pull downs. Make sure you have your chest up, bring it right down to your chest area. Hands are wide. You don't want to yank the bar all the way back. You don't want to pull your whole body back to get the weight down. If you have to do this, you need to lower the weight. This is what you don't want to do right here. You don't want to just use your arms to pull it down either. You want to use your lats. And here's the reverse grip. So you're just going to twist your hands around and bring them closer together, straight up and down to your chest. If you have an assisted pull-up machine, you can do pull-ups this way. And when you go to change the weight, you actually want to move it up, move the pin up the weight rack. You don't want to move it down, because this means that you're using less help. You're doing more work on your own. So this is how you get stronger and eventually move on to doing them on a regular pull-up bar. You can also do them with the bands. There's different types of resistance bands. Here you're going to tie a knot through it at the top, like she's doing here. And your first level is you're going to stick your foot through it. Get in your pull-up position. Go up and down in your regular pull-ups with the band assisting you. A little more advanced, you can just stick your knee through it, get back in your pull-up position, and go up and down on the bar. From this point, eventually you would get to doing pull-ups without any type of assistance. Another type of pull-ups is the Smith machine pull-ups. You're going to set up the bar so you're sitting on the ground, bring your chest straight up to the bar. Your body is parallel in a straight line with your ankles to your neck. One arm dumbbell rows. Make sure you pull it all the way up when you're doing these. Keep a flat back, sort of like push your butt out. One knee up on the bench. Don't do this, you're just using your arms when you do this. Also can be done with a straight bar or a barbell. Again, you don't want to round out your back. You don't want to hunch over. You want to keep a flat back. Like, you can really hurt yourself this way. You don't want to do this right here. Seated rows. And you're just going to come in and out. Here, you don't want to use your whole body to pull the weight. This is not the correct form. Just sit up straight. Come in nice and tight here. Okay, here we are with kettlebell swings. You're going to sit down into a squat when you do these. Don't bend forward. You're going to swing them out straight down between your legs and straight above your head, keeping your arms straight. Control the kettlebell. Don't do any of this. Don't bend forward and swing it forward this way. This is not proper form. Back extensions, you're going to just adjust it so that your hips are off of the machine and come up and down.